Are you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yes.
I don't blame you. So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
I'm Brandon Powell. I'm a program manager at a car sharing company in San Francisco. I race lemons because I feel most alive when I'm in a race car. And that feeling is something that once I experienced, I've not been able to let go of. And so I've been doing it for 15 years now. We race a 1992 Volvo 245 station wagon. It has a BMW M52 2.8 liter 6-cylinder engine that we got out of some kid's 328. And the upgrade from the standard Volvo powertrain has allowed us to race with the big boys in a way that we never were able to before. Our biggest win in Lemons is probably our Class B win at Thunder Hill in May of this year. Almost 15 years of trying to be successful, and we finally were. The sad part was that it was only two of us. After having a big group of guys over the time that we've been racing as Bernal Dads, it just worked out that only two of us showed up for that particular race. But we're still doing all right. We finished 4th overall at the most recent race at Buttonwillow. Probably the biggest fail that we've had as a team in Lemons and personally is when we found ourselves screaming at each other in the paddock at Thunder Hill many years ago, arguing over something pretty dumb that I'm not sure that anyone even actually remembers, but we looked like a bunch of jerks. And it was a wake-up call for all of us that the most important thing was our friendship, and having a good time and trying to be competitive was very much secondary to all of that.
We don't know him. He just showed up.
Money, no object. I'm torn. I kind of want to do the electric car and try to take the overall win with the electric car. But the project that I've really wanted to do for years now is take the Mazda 5 minivan that my family's been driving for the last 13 years and turn it into a Lemons car, but make it mid-engined. And I've been talking about that forever, and I've told my wife that when it's decommissioned, we're claiming it for Lemons, but I get the feeling it's never actually going to happen. All right, thanks for having me, and I'll see you in the penalty box at Sonoma.